Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna explain you to the details. This trade, this was 3.5 risk to reward trade. I posted already on my Twitter. Okay, it's here. It hit take profit. It was a really wild trade, one of the most craziest trade I had this year. Here almost take profit, then pull back and straight to the profit. It was very wild. And here is the screenshots. This was the entry. Here I marked entry in, set my stop loss, set my take profit, and then took a screenshot. Here was where I will move my stop loss to break even. I will explain in this video. And here I already moved stop loss to the break even, a little bit to plus to cover the fees. And this is the screenshot after the crazy situations which happened twice in I think 5 minutes, and I was kind of sweating and also laughing in the same time. Okay, now we can jump to the trade breakdown. As you may notice, now I changed my average risk to reward. I was aiming before for 1.5 risk to reward. Now my trades are around 3 risk to reward, 1 to 3, okay, risking 1% to get 3%, and I almost double, like I really double my risk to reward, and my win rate stayed the same, and that's because I now have one extra higher time frame rule, the confluence, which gives me the bias for next a half hour or hour, and I'm looking for the RRC entry with that direction, and this helped me so much, really keeping my win rate the same around 78-80%, and risk to reward go from 1.7 on average to almost 3 risk to reward on average. Then it's really like double. And the higher time frame confluence, the rule I will share only in my Discord group this month for my members. I was testing it now for almost 2 months on my live account, posting trades every day. This week I also call one trade live in my Discord using the higher time frame rule. This I can delete. Then now I can explain this trade from today without the higher time frame narrative, okay, which gives me the bias, but we can see we are bearish here. Also, if I use the old model, we can see move up, and now I would expect bearish movement to hit this 50%, okay, and if not that, then this, and take this liquidity anyway. Then I will be bearish anyway by the old rules, how I was setting the bias on the 5-minute time frame. I just zoom out, but now I have something better. Now we can jump to the trade breakdown. Here I already have my bearish confluence, but I was not behind the screen this time. I came home around this time, and here was only fair value gap on the 5-minute, okay, and I don't trade from the fair value gap on the 5-minute when I don't have something else inside of it, like order block, which was this candle, no this one, or BPR, like old bullish fair value gap here, which fail. I don't trade just 5-minute fair value gap, it's not strong enough for me. Even here it should work out, but it's not my A+ setup. Then I wait, and what we develop is price move down, and we create this 5-minute order block, okay, but why I didn't look for a trade from this order block? Simple. I explained before in my videos, I think even from my video, in my video from 2 days ago about order blocks, where I explained order blocks. This candle didn't confirm our order block at the first attempt, okay, it make wick a close back inside, and this candle after confirm our order block, which means this order block is lower probability. It also have small body. Then I was kinda not looking for a trade from this, and then this swing high creation happened. Then I just mark the swing high, go to 30 seconds time frame, wait for the price to tap and give us the tap candle. Here was the tap candle, and this was our RRC candle. RRC is just one candle before the tap candle, okay. RRC caused the move to the point of interest, Now what we want, strong close below the RRC level, okay, strong close below it. We got here something like that, but it was not very strong. It was on the level, plus I really often use candle even before it, which have lower low than the top candle, okay, then this will be also valid RSC level. But here now I am focusing on high risk to reward, and I try to get earlier entry here. I didn't get it even, I will explain in a moment. But if you enter here, you will have take profit anyway. You will not get stop out if you put your stop loss here. But I wait for strong confirmation, and strong confirmation happened here. This candle smashed through the RRC level, okay, also smashed through this low, which caused some bounce from this level and closed strong below it. And the best entry will be here with stop loss on swing point, and you can go take profit 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, okay. 1 to 2 is now minimum for me. But what happened, I was going for a foot when this candle closed, and I came behind the screen when this candle closed, and I was thinking if I set limit order on this fair value gap here, because this candle was not developed yet or not, but it looks after consolidation very strong for me, and I was thinking maybe this will just go away and I will miss a huge risk reward trade, because we already make enough consolidation and I was expecting some really strong dump down. And I just decided to market entry in here and stop loss on the RRC, okay. And you can see it also on the screenshot of the entry. I market entry here and stop loss was on the RRC line, and take profit was 23,458, okay. I will explain why. It was around 3.5, I think 3.4. Take profit was when I go back on the 5 minute, also on higher time frame. There was this significant low, you can see, and I mentioned also in previous videos, I often put take profit on the wicks of the low, okay, because this really often will happen. Price just sweep the wicks, not sweep the low, but just tap the wick or the order block and bounce, and you miss your take profit because of you was greedy for, I don't know, $30, okay, and instead of $500 which you can take, you was aiming for 550 and you end up on break even or stop loss. And this is my strategy for the take profits. When I'm putting on swings, I often put it on the wicks, especially when there is a lot of wicks. You can see here is only one wick, okay, but here is a lot of rejection in this zone, and you can see here also a lot of rejection. This was like resistance support flip. Then this is strong zone around here. Then my profit, I decide to put it here, more than 3 risk to reward, and here I go to the break even. I will explain also why here. Now I took entry, okay, I know price is aggressive, but look what happened after the entry. We didn't get any green candle, just continue going down. We sweep this low. I will change color for the black. We sweep this low, and a lot of people will move stop loss to break even here. But why I didn't do that? Simple, because we didn't have any green candle, no pullback yet, and pullback can come easily here and then continue down in our direction. Then this was just too stupid to take money from my pocket, because I will be scared to lose a trade, okay. I was waiting for a pullback, and maybe pullback will reach my stop loss, which is pretty fine. I'm already on a very nice win streak. Then I'm expecting a loss to come. Yesterday it was by the tick. I can really show you. Yesterday was very crazy trade. I can go on my profile, and this is from today. This is yesterday's second trade. I also hit take profit 3R. This trade, look here, I almost got stopped out and finished my win streak, but it play out. Here is the execution. Sorry, I'm still a little bit sick. Here I market entry in after this small move above the RRC. After this one, and when price start coming back, I just took entry here, put stop loss here to get higher risk reward, and I almost got stop out. Okay, and here was the second trade. This trade hit take profit as well, also around 3R, more than 3R. And here is trade from today, which we are now talking about. Okay, we didn't have pullback yet. This is the first green candle, and my stop loss is still staying here. And now after this one, this pullback, we start, you can see you will get stopped out for just being scared. Now after the pullback, we see again strong red candles. Now you can go to the break even after this low sweep, or just zoom out and check which low was not taken. It was this and this. Okay, then you can go break even here or here. I decided to go here, and I was now waiting for price to make small consolidation and drop down. You can see it consolidate, and here at this point I move my stop loss to the break even, a little bit to plus. Okay, you can see on the screenshot from the trade. Here I move the stop loss. I always put it a little bit to plus to cover the fees, to be really on the zero and small positive for the day. Because when you are negative, I don't know, just $10, but you have almost 40 accounts, it's anyway some money. Okay, I count really every dollar when I'm trading. I try to be really responsible with money management. And here I move my stop loss to the break even with this candle, and our take profit was around here. And now the crazy stuff started happening. We got strong pullback down, almost got stopped out. Okay, and now I was here like, okay, it's going to the take profit. Now rejection, stronger green candle, but I didn't close earlier. I didn't do any bullshit. I say myself, okay, now we got break even and end up a little bit on plus, few dollars, or we got here, which was I think $900 take profit, and I copy it on all of my accounts, and we will have a really one of the best days I have this year, or I will be on zero, which is also win, better than nothing. And then price start coming back again. I was like, okay, it's coming back, it's beautiful, I'm gonna take profit here. Like price will smash the profit here, easy win. Now price again strong pullback, almost hit break even. My break even was somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere like this was the break even, and price was just playing around, really coming very close to my stop loss. And then you can see strong move down straight to the take profit, and one of the best days of this year in my trading career happened like this. Pretty wild, really, I can say pretty wild market. After yesterday crazy stop loss, almost got hit, and today take profit by the, again, almost by a fucking ticks. You can see really nothing, but we survived it. We took wins from this. This is yesterday's second trade, 5-minute order block continuation. Okay, the top candle is this one, RRC is this one, strong close above, market entry in, and 1 to 3 risk to reward, and then we smash to the profit. But I was already not on the computer, then I didn't post it, and here is the today trade. Okay guys, if you are interested about my Discord group, go on my Twitter profile. Okay, and in this video everything is explained which you need to know. If you have any questions, just send me DM, send me message, and I will gladly answer your questions. And here is the link. In this link you can get the discount for the Tradify, you can get the discount for the Apex, a link to my YouTube channel, a link to my Twitter profile. Okay, as I mentioned yesterday, for those who will use my code for the Tradify, now you can get 35% off on straight funded account. You just pay around $300 and you don't need to make stupid challenge, no paying activation fee anymore. You just need to make $3,000 and you are taking $2,000 out. And with Tradify, every time I make a request, I got my payout within 10 minutes, which is really insane, and I never got denied. I also never got denied on the Apex, but a lot of people do. But on Tradify, I think I never saw a denied payout, and it's fastest way to the payout because you don't need to spend minimum 2 days on the evaluation because that's the rules. You cannot pass it in 1 day. You don't need to waste 2 or 5 days on the challenge, stupid challenge, and then paying activation fee and getting another account. And on the challenge, on the 50k account, you need to make $3,000. Okay. Top step. You need to make $3,000 to pass and get funded. Okay. On Tradify, you make $3,000 and you take $2,000 payout already. Okay, the same effort, the same trades, the same amount of the days here, just to get access to the funded. On Tradify, the same amount, you're already taking $2,000 to your bank account, and it's pretty crazy. On Top Step, I often wait for the payout, sometimes 5 to one time I wait over 2 weeks to money from my live account to arrive to my Vice account. On Tradify, it's like 10 minutes. Then I'm now really for the Tradify. I never have bad experience with them. I didn't even hear of somebody have bad experience. That's why I recommend this one. I will not recommend any new company which have no reputation. I don't want you guys to get scammed just because I get few dollars from it, which is not really important for me. Even if you buy Tradify account, I get like $15-20 maybe, I don't even know, which is nothing crazy. Okay, I make much more by the trading, but it's just some extra money, and I'm also, how to say, a businessman, and I try to make money when I can, but always with moral, no scamming people, no bullshit. That's why I recommend firm which is a reliable firm, okay, which is Tradify for me. Then I think end of the month I will contact people who use my code, send me message with screenshot that you buy challenge with my code, and I will have some surprise for you guys. Okay, I will have some good surprise for you. Then that's it for this video. As I say, you can find here on my link everything is also a lot of information about the Discord group, on my Twitter, in this retweet chain. You can see I retweet the post, okay, and by this retweet post you can go like this. You can find trades for I think 1 month, day by day, trade by trade, okay. Then you can learn a lot here also, you can study it, and that's it for me. Thanks for your time, guys, that you watched this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments, I will be happy to answer. Or if you have any questions about Tradify or about the Discord, about the mentorship videos, just ask in the Twitter message, and I will be really happy to answer you. See you in the next video.